कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है. वेलकम टू TRS Clips. Can I ask you about Rajnikant as well?
Rajnikant sir, yeah. I mean, I've not worked with him, but he is huge. I mean, even today, so whenever you talk about me, a lot of numbers will come in, more than anything. Even today, he brings in huge numbers as an opening. He has a huge business because people of Tamil Nadu will go for his film regardless of anything. The film doesn't even matter. It's just if it has Rajnikant, that's all they want.
With him, I know for a fact because I know certain things about him from the spiritual community, and he spends a lot of time in ashrams and
Yeah,
he goes to
yeah.
Teethstans. There's spiritual force
Inside of him, yeah.
That's what's driving the outward thing which the world is seeing as material success.
Yeah, it has to be, actually on some level to reach that position. I think somewhere it has to be.
Would you ever want that in any lifetime of yours? That quantum of success?
I mean, if any, it would have to be this lifetime.
This lifetime?
Yeah, if it has to be any lifetime, it would have to be this. But after this, no, I would not want that. I would really just want to be happy on a farm somewhere. Not stressing, not even knowing of Twitter and Instagram and all of that. I would just want to be like in a very different zone in life. But so that's why if it has to be any, it has to be this one.
On a farm somewhere?
Yeah.
Nice.
Happy with lots of animals and lots of, yeah.
And a nice Indian dharmic.
And a nice Indian pati.
Marwadi boy.
No, doesn't have to be Marwadi.
Doesn't have to be Marwadi?
No, doesn't have to be Marwadi.
Why not?
I mean, it doesn't matter, na?
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.